on, buddy. You can do it. Come on, reel it up. You gotta reel it up now, buddy. Reel it up. Reel it up. You got him on there. Bring him in. Is that a boss?
Yeah.
Oh, bring him up. Bring it up. Keep reeling. Oh, come. Oh, keep reeling. Come on. Where is he? Whoa. You caught that all by yourself?
Yeah.
How old are you to catch that?
3.
You're 3 years old? Show me how many fingers that is.
A miracle today in Durnsville, Indiana. 4 women rescued from an underground apocalypse cult.
Who is this?
I'm your new roommate.
You got a secret.
I am one of the Indianimal women. I'm not going back. What?
Hey, Red, you're making me wish I was those jeans.
Well, I wish I was your yellow hat.
Who says a woman has to be married? You, all our lives.
Everything is wrong.
You're invited
Oh my neck. 1, 2, 4.
to join the family.
We're going on a date, and afterward, this will have to sleep there, slippery like an eel. Shave everything.
For the biggest, fattest, Greekest comedy.
Protect the Polaki.
Eyes open.
If your knees are open, shut your eyes.
My name is Michelle Darnell, and I am the wealthiest woman in America. How wealthy am I? I wanted to come down on a golden phoenix, and I sure as hell did it.
I run your operation. While being a single mom, I deserve a pay raise. You have a child. Yeah. I usually get kind of an asexual vibe.
You're under arrest for insider trading.
Michelle, don't struggle. Shut up.
You're bankrupt. All your accounts have been frozen.
Claire, get me a new lawyer.
You don't have any money, you stupid ginger!
Mom, if she doesn't have anywhere to go, she should stay here.
Look at that. A bed and a sofa.
Careful, it's a bit temperamental.
It's not so bad.
Oh, I think I shattered my balance. Michelle, you have to get out of the bathroom.
Oh my God! I'm self-tanning. Close your robe. Help me out, Tommy. Do I have any streaks on my hamstring? Oh my God! Whoa!
Michelle, you need to get off the couch. Take Rachel to her dandelions meeting.
Our troop came in with the $189,000. Oh,
This is my way back. We are going to start a brownie empire and teach these girls real business skills. We want some good recruits. Go for the aggressive girls. Who is that beast?
Crystal Del Vecchio.
You know the train wrecks always have stripper names.
What are you looking at?
Ooh.
Put her on the list.
okay, Crystal. What do we say if somebody doesn't want to buy?
Buy my brownies or I'll kill you. Don't say that, Crystal. Hey, what do you think you're doing? This is where dandelions sell.
Ooh, that batch is burnt.
Who do we have here? I'm Jesse Owens. Let's see what we got. You want to do it again? Yeah. You want to win a gold medal in Berlin? Even under the Hitler regime?
You must go ahead and run. Don't listen to any of them.
People are counting on you. Get on over there to Berlin and beat those Nazis.
You're the fastest man on the earth.
My damn ain't no black and white. There's only fast and slow. I was a rock tour manager, and this is what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to tour with my act.
To Afghanistan?
Hey, Rich Iran. How y'all doing, guys?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Back at you, babe. Smoke on water.
Thank you.
very much.